Hi there, hi everyone. Welcome today. Yes, today we are still in the library, in Dutch library, so I cannot talk so loud. In this additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, July the 12th, 2022, we have here in this additional 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 tectonics, one with 4 stars and one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it cijferblok, yes. And 1 binary. And those puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Too much for me, time consuming. Otherwise it will be a day job for me, because I need also the same time for uploading it to YouTube. So half of them I will solve 4 puzzles, the 3 stars, the 4 stars Sudoku. I will do tectonic with 4 stars and 1 binary. But first I will start with the 3 star Sudoku number 4838. Alright, before I start I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 25 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong, okay? And for a 3 stars puzzle I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. 3 ones. We have here 2 twos, 3 threes, 4 fours, alright, 2 fives, 4 sixes, alright, 3 sevens, 1 8, no, 2 eights, and 2 nines. So the 4s and the 6s are a majority. Let me see for the 6. Okay. Well, will be difficult for the 6. No. We have a 6 in this third column, 6 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 1 2 3 4 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the second row, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, so no 6 in this box. 1 box left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the last row, so the row between, the only 3 places left for the 6 will be here, here or there. We see a 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, so no 6 there. Here a 6 in the column next, so no 6 there. 1 box left for the 6 should be there. Now I cannot continue with the 6. How about the 4 then? 4 in this column, 4 in the last column, so the column between, the only place left for the 4 should be there. Well. Seems like I cannot continue with the 4. Let me choose another digit. 1 2 3 4 5 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 in these 3 boxes here. 3 in this row, so no 3 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in the last column, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3, 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in the middle column, so no 3 there, 3 should be there. Well, cannot continue with the 3 now. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the third column, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square should be there. 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column. So the first column, the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, here or there. We see here 7 in the first row, so no 7 there. Here 7 in the second row, so no 7 there. The only place left for the 7 should be there. Well. Cannot continue with the 7. Need to wait. Let me see. 4, yeah, now I can continue with the 4 in the first column, 4 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above, so that row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in the middle column, so no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in the third row, so no 4 there, 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 4. Alright. Still, I cannot continue with the 6. Okay. How about One box left in the second column for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2. Well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in the last column, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. Here 1 in this row, no 1 in those 2 boxes, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below, so the last row, the only place left for the 1 should be here. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this row, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. Here 1 in this column, no 1 in that box, so 1 box left for the 1 in this big square should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in the last column, so no 1 there. Here 1 in that column next, so no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. Now I cannot continue with the 1. Let me see for other digit. 285, 8, 3. Yeah, we have a pair. the 1 and the 3 in this column, the 1 and the 3 in the second column. So the third column, the only two places left for the 1 and the 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and a 1, 3 and a 1. Okay. So two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 9 and a 5, 9 and a 5, alright. So we have a 9 in one of those two boxes in this column, 9 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Two numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 there, 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2, 2, 2. 8, 8, 8, 8. Yeah. 8, 8. We have a pair, 2 and 8 in the first row, 2 and 8 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only two places left for the 2 and 8 goes in those two boxes. 8 and a 2, 8 and a 2, alright? Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers. Here we have 8 and a 2, but one of the missing number in the second row is the number 1. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these two boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. We see a 1 in the first column, so no 1 there, 1 should be there. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. Alright, 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only two places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the third row, so no 1 there, 1 should be here. And all the 1s are used, I can see. Digit number 2, number 1. 6, 6, okay. 9, 5 in the 3, yeah. One of the missing number in the second row is the number 3. Here we have 8 and a 2, 9, 5 and a 3 are missing. Yeah, the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 3, 9, 5, 3, 9, 5. Okay, we have a 3 in this column, so no 3 there. Here, 3 in this big square, so no 3 there. The only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, the only two places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used, I can see. Digit number 3. Now I can continue with the 6. Alright, 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Here we have 8 and a 2. I've marked those two boxes with a 6 earlier. We have a 6 in this row, so no 6 there. The only place left for the 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used, I can see. Digit number 4, number 6. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 5 and the 9, 5 and the 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So in that column, the only two places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 9 and the 5, 9 and the 5. We have a 9 in the last column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in the last column. So the column next between, the only two places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9 in this row, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 and a 5, now we have a 9 there, so this box can be 9 anymore, that box should be a 9, and this box should be a 5, and all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 5, number 9, the 5 in this column, the 5 in that column, so the column between. Only two places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the last row, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. Then 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers are 5. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 in these two boxes, so the 5 could be here, could be there. 5 in one of those two boxes in this column, 5 in the last column, so the column between, the only place left for the 5 should be there. Now I cannot continue with the 5. How about the which number? The 2 in this column, the 2 in the last column, so the column between, the only place left for the 2 should be there. Two numbers left in this row, 2 numbers left. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Then let me see. 7. Oh, 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have a 7 in the last column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in a row below, so last row, the only two places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 6, lucky 7, yes. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have an 8 in the last row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Now we have an 8 there, so this box can be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 2. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have an 8 in the middle column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have an 8 in the middle row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Find the 2 numbers in this big square. 4 numbers. 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 there. A 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 19 minutes. Wow. 3 stars. No, let me give this a 2 stars because I'm faster than the 20 minutes I've predicted. Oh, my time limit. Yes, this is my time limit. So I'm very well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.